everybody! I'm here today to show you how to tie your skates. This will be a beginner tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Sorry about the weird angle, but this is the best that I could do given the situation that I'm in when making this video. So as you can see, my skates are nice and loose all the way up. You can see when I touch the laces, they sort of move around. Now, what you want to do is start at the bottom here, okay? You want to get your bottom laces, not the bar at the bottom there, but the next one's up. You're going to get your finger around them, and you're just going to pull. Make sure that bar is nice and tight, okay? Then you're going to move them forward and get the next set of laces. Get your fingers under them, one finger under each lace, and you want to pull. You see this outer part here? The goal is to pull on this outer part. So I'm not pulling on the inside because you're going to be tightening the wrong lace. You want to pull on the outside. So like this, I'm pulling on the outside, I'm gripping the laces, sort of bringing them in like that, okay? And when you pull these laces, it tightens up this set right over here. Now I'm going to push those down. The next ones on the outside, pull them inwards like that. And those tighten up these ones over here. The next ones, pull them inwards like that. Now you can see as I get higher, I'm pulling more and more because I have more leverage. Look at how much lace I have now, okay? Get these ones, pull them inwards like that. Now I'm really gripping. Another tip, as I'm holding them and pulling them, I'm pushing my foot down. My foot is a little bit raised up on an angle, like my toes are raised. So I'm pulling and then I'm pushing my foot down to get more leverage. Next ones, okay? Just like that. Keep going up. You want to keep making your way up, just like that. And you can see as you make your way up, you get more and more leverage like that, okay? Now, what I like to do at this point, I get my upper laces, I just give them a little pull to make sure that they don't get pulled into the skates, because then it's a hassle to get them out again. So now we get the next set of laces like this, pull them nice and tightly. The next set over here, we're almost done, just like that. Pull them nice and tightly. And then last but not least, we have the laces all the way at the top, okay? These are the ones you got to really focus on because this is going to be controlling your ankle tightness. So really tighten them down. Now, if your laces are really long, what you can do is you can sort of wrap them around the skate. So what I can do if these are really long is I can wrap them around. So I'm crossing them over. This side is going behind this way, right over there you can see, and this side is going behind the opposite way. Okay, so I've crossed them over, they come out the other side, and now I could tighten them, and that gives you some extra strength, okay? In my situation, the laces aren't extremely long, so what I could do is just really tighten them now. Here's the key factor, I'm holding, I have leverage. Look at my hand. My hand is against my shin, I have leverage. Okay, I'm gonna tie a single knot, just like that. So I'm tying a single knot, just like that, okay? Pull that lace through all the way. Now with my single knot, I tighten it up really tightly, okay? I put my finger on that knot to hold it nice and tightly. I make a bow on this side, put my finger there to hold the knot again, make a bow on this side, okay? Put my finger on the knot. I have both fingers on the knot, as you can see. I tie up my bow. This finger's still on the knot right there. Tie up my bow, and the moment I start tightening the bow like this, okay, watch my other finger, let go of the knot as you tighten the bow. Now I have a tight knot. I have a tight bow, and then I can double tie it if I want to, let's say blah, 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 whatever. Doesn't matter. But at the end of the day, these are really, really tight. I've tied my skates really tightly. They're secure. They're not going anywhere. And that's it. That is how to tie your skates. A simple beginner tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.